What's up, BN fam? It's your boy Dre.
And it's your girl Niyah, and welcome back to another video. Today, guys, we will be showing you
what's in our diaper, well, not diaper bag. What's in our hospital bag. Okay.
Our hospital bag that we will be taking to the hospital with us for the delivery of our baby girl.
Exactly. It took us a minute to decide what she was gonna get in this bag. But
yeah, I've been watching videos, I've been Googling it, so I think we got a down pat.
Yeah, we got a pretty good bag. Like, we doing our thing. We got some good stuff in here.
But before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
And turn on the post notification bell so you guys know every time we post a video. And don't forget, y'all, follow us on IG. We got some dope pictures. We're gonna drop some maternity pictures.
Yes, and the links will be in the description.
Hey, them boys heat, ain't they?
Yeah, we took maternity pictures today. They are super cute, so definitely follow us on Instagram so you can see them.
Exactly. We're gonna get into what's in our bag, but we're finna go take for our daughter, right?
Yes.
Let's get into it.
So, this is the diaper bag we have for her. Now, this diaper bag is special.
Super special because, hear me explain what it is?
Yeah.
The bag right here is from Keababies.
Yes. If you don't know what Keababies is, it is a company that sells stuff for your baby. They have diaper bags, clothes, accessories, maternity wear. They have like all of it.
They got everything. This bag right here, I'm sorry, baby, but this bag is so dope.
Yes, they were nice enough to give us this bag, and I just love it. Like, when we first received it, I was just like, I was lost for words how good it looks.
Right, it has a lot of positives to it. Like, look, you can look at this bag, you're like, okay, it's a regular backpack, but when you open it,
it's a big backpack.
That mug could hold some stuff to it. It's big.
So on the sides here, it has like compartments you can put stuff in, or like the bottles in. This is my favorite part right here, because when you open this part up, it has like an insulated cooler or heater that you can put the that you put the bottles in.
I know, y'all, that's gonna come in handy. So say if you want a warm bottle, it will keep the bottle warm. If you got a cold beverage that you want to take along with your baby to toss it in because you thirsty or something, it will keep it cold. It's very useful.
Yes.
Very.
They also have different colors of the diaper bag. We just decided to get this one in pink gray, but they have like black. I think they have another gray. They have a lot of,
They had a lot of stuff.
So make sure you guys shop with Keababies. We actually have a discount code for you. We'll put it on the screen, and we'll put it in the description below. You can get 10% off your order.
So make sure y'all do that. 10% off. Come on now. Who don't like discounts? Who don't like them? So go ahead and do that if y'all shop with them. So we're gonna get into what's in our lovely, beautiful bag.
So of course this bag is for baby girl. I packed all her stuff in here.
Right.
The first thing I put is...
I like how you just said that. For baby girl.
So I have some mittens. I only put one pair in here. I'll probably put some more. These are like mittens. Cause you know you don't want the baby to scratch her face. So I put those in there.
Look cute pink mittens.
Yes. I also put 2 hats because, you know, she has to wear hats at first. So I just put 2 in there. Then what else I'm bringing for her is some onesies. And I put like 2. Now this is newborn size. So that's why I look so small. So I packed 2 of those. Let me see what else. Then I put a sleeper in there for her.
I like it. It says hug me.
Yes. Now this one actually comes with the little things to put the mittens already on there. I thought that was so cute.
Oh, okay. You got the little reversible thing going on.
So I have that one, and I packed another one just in case. She can wear either one.
Let me see. Okay. Nice little pink one. Okay. It says love you dearly.
Yes. Then I have 2 headbands. You know, I love headbands, I love bows, so I packed that one. This one actually goes with this swaddle that I packed. And I have the matching robe to go with this. Super cute, so I thought I would pack this so me and her can take pictures.
Y'all finna match already. I'm not ready for this, y'all. Already they finna be matching.
Then I have, this is, remember this is for,
yeah, I love this thing.
we probably take pictures with her. It has some wings.
That little strap right here, the strap on her.
Yeah, this is like a crown.
This is
And
super
then
dope.
A tutu.
We got the whole set.
So I packed that so she could probably take pictures in.
Okay, daughter. This tutu, it's too fast. I don't like it.
Then I have a bird cloth.
I like these. Well, these just cloths. Just bird cloths.
And a receiving blanket for her. Then I have this outfit. My friend bought this. She wanted her to wear this going home, so I thought I would bring it just in case I put that on her going home.
One of my favorites. I love this, especially with the little ear things up top. I love it.
Yeah, it's cute.
I love it.
And then lastly for her, I just packed a blanket because, you know.
You got a wrapper.
Yeah. And we're having her, now it's fall, so it's gonna be cold.
Yeah, she gonna need this. It's gonna come in handy.
So that is what I packed in here for her. But another cool thing I just noticed about this diaper bag, babe, it has this changing table.
Oh.
So if you're out in public, if you have to change your baby, you don't have to put them on the like nasty changing tables. You can use this instead.
That's gonna come in handy.
Yes, it's definitely gonna come in handy. And it's super spacious in here. Like, I just had all that in there.
Bro, like, I could put my whole arm in there. Like,
Yeah.
come on now. That's ridiculous. Now you know that thing's big.
I definitely recommend this diaper bag. I love it so much. Thank you so much, Keababies.
Thank you, guys. We love the gift. Thank you. All right. Oh, I'm trying to grab the bag when we got... What else is in our diaper bag?
Yes, next we are going...
To the big dogs.
Yes. We have this bag now. We're gonna pack our stuff together because we don't need all these bags. Like,
we're not going on vacation.
Yeah, we don't need. I thought this was a good size. It's like a duffel bag.
It's a nice duffel bag. It's
Yeah.
nice size.
So. Okay. The first thing I packed is a towel. Well, I have 2 towels for the both of us, just in case we take a shower or something there. I know they probably have those like flimsy towels, you know.
I don't want that.
So these are our towels we're gonna pack. Then in this bag right here. What?
I already know what's in there.
What?
It's all your makeup stuff.
No, it's not.
Oh, what's in there?
You don't even know. This is our toiletries that I packed in here. Yours too.
Oh, she proved me wrong. No,
Exactly. The hospital probably gives you stuff, but I just feel comfortable like bringing our own. So we have like 2 brush travel sets, 1 for each of us.
Deodorant.
Yeah, deodorant. I have some Vaseline because
You stay with Vaseline.
I'm not about to be giving birth with no chapped lips.
Nobody even be looking that hard.
Yes, she will be looking at me when she first see me.
She probably don't even know
chapped
what.
lips.
Come on, man.
I brought a scarf just in case, you know, I need it. I don't know. This is your stuff too. You have body wash.
Some body wash, okay.
We got like a little thing of lotion. And I have some body wash too. And I have some nipple cream because I do plan. You're so childish. I I do plan to breastfeed. And I know like your nipples like crack and stuff, so I might need this just in case. Put it in there. And then
makeup remover.
Makeup wipes.
First of all, why do you need makeup wipes?
Cause I'm gonna do my makeup.
Why?
Silly.
You doing your makeup while you having a baby?
Yeah, since I'm gonna be induced probably, like I'll have time to do it, you know?
Y'all see how extra she is?
Cause we're doing a labor and delivery vlog. Am I supposed to be looking crazy?
Right.
You want it raw and uncut?
Yeah, but I guess you do your makeup.
Okay.
Look nice. I like it.
Right.
I like the vibes.
Speaking of makeup, in here,
that's where your
I didn't even like put it in here yet, but I just got this little bag. I think this would be big enough for like some makeup I'm gonna bring. I'm not gonna bring my whole crazy makeup bag.
Yeah.
It's too big, so I'm just gonna put some essentials in here.
Okay, baby. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, and you can talk about what you're bringing.
I'm honestly.
I feel like I'm talking.
You're talking all day, but I love it. I'm just bringing me, my clothes. Got me some, like she showed, my toiletries, deodorant, shampoo, body wash, all that, toothbrush, the essentials. But I'm honestly only bringing clothes and shoes because I feel like this is gonna be a real intimate moment. So I want to be like, I'm not really focused on trying to look fly or flea doing. I'm focused on the fact that we're having a baby that day.
Okay.
And what if
I feel like you're trying to say I'm being extra.
You're super extra, but I love it. That's what I love about her. All right, but let's keep moving.
Okay, so you're bringing. You're gonna put your outfits in here.
I'll put some outfits in
here. Your shoes gonna be on your feet.
On my feet. My outfits are not here. Probably a few white tees, probably some black tees, few Nike sweats. Yeah. Some shoes and a hoodie.
We're definitely gonna bring the laptop though.
Yeah, we need the laptop.
We're gonna bring our laptop because we might get a little bored.
Somewhere, but of course the laptop.
So, I have a robe. Now this robe matches that swaddle I was talking about.
Heat. I like that. Before you go.
So I just brought this one instead of like, my other robe I have is like a silky robe. That just does not seem hospital appropriate. And the other one I have is like a cozy robe, and that one just seems hot as ever.
Yeah,
this would be the best one. I bought some socks too, just like a little pair of socks. These are warm and cozy.
That's what I need to bring, because they get them hospital socks and they are not, but they sometimes comfortable.
Yeah, I know they're gonna give me the socks. I'll probably just wear those instead of these, but going home I might need these.
Yeah.
And speaking of going home, I just brought a jogging suit. Now, I don't know. I probably changed this one because I got like a black one like this.
You don't wear the black one?
Yeah, I just put this one in here just for the video, but something to go home in. And I also have some pajamas. So,
sure.
Yeah. These are like the pants, what are like capris. And then I got this shirt. Now I have the button down pajama. I plan to breastfeed like I said, so I know this is like easy access for it. Then also I have a nursing bra. So like I said, I plan to breastfeed. I got this one from Target. It like comes down like that. So you don't have to take your whole shirt off, your whole bra off.
You can just pop it out?
Yeah.
Pop the tip?
Yeah. So I think one is probably enough because I'm not going to be there that long. So I just packed one. And then I packed some underwear.
Granny panties.
Yeah, these are granny panties. I packed like 2 pair of these. Yeah, just in case. Don't laugh at my granny panties. And also, I have the disposable underwear. Now, I've been seeing a lot of people talk about this brand. They do give you some at the hospital, but I just got these just in case. I want to keep wearing them like after those are gone. Yeah, because it's going to get really nasty. And then I also bought a big thing of these big long pads that nobody likes to wear. But yeah, these.
You gotta wear them?
Huh?
But you gotta wear them?
Yeah, they're gonna give me some at the hospital, but I just bought these for at home. I'll put a few in here. I'm not gonna bring both of these. I'm just gonna like take a few out. I just didn't open them yet. Yeah. I feel like that is like everything I'll need other than like my laptop, charger.
All the essentials like camera, batteries, you know.
Yeah. That's
all
like
that
all
stuff.
the essentials.
Yeah, that's kind of real self-explanatory. We know we're gonna bring that. This is like more of the stuff we have to think like, okay, what we're gonna prepare.
Yeah, to make sure we actually have. Because I just want to be ready. I just want to be prepared. We can just have the bag at the door and just go.
Right, because like she's coming. Like
yeah, she's coming, very soon.
So it's like we ready. And this bag right here and her diaper bag is gonna sit right by the door because when it's time when the baby's coming, easy.
Exactly.
Easy.
That's what we need. We need order. But I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing what is in our hospital bags.
Exactly. Thank you, Dan fam. We love you. And we enjoyed sharing what we have, you know, in store for the future. Our baby girls on the way. Yeah, and also once again, shout out to Keababies for sponsoring us
This
with the
video?
Yeah, sponsoring this video. So with that being said, we're gonna wrap it up. Dan fam, we love you. See you all in the
Next video.
Peace.